Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and confirming your Android version so you know which menu labels to expect. Once done, make sure you're on Wi-Fi and back up any key settings. This avoids surprises. Now open Settings and head straight to Display or Lock Screen. Motorola places clock controls there or within Styles and Wallpapers. You're taking the first actionable jump into the system UI. This step narrows options and prepares the menus you'll change next. Now you'll change the clock style so it fits your preference. Open Lock Screen or Styles and Wallpapers, then tap Clock. You'll see options like Digital, Analog, or Compact. Tap each to preview how it appears on the lock screen. Once you pick a style, customize color, size, or nearby widgets where options exist. This alters readability and glance utility. Make sure to press Apply or Save. That commits the change to the lock screen immediately so you can test it. Finish by locking the phone to verify the new clock's appearance and alignment. Confirm notifications and shortcuts still work. If the clock doesn't update, restart the device, and if needed, clear the system UI cache to force the change. Once done, make sure to reapply the style and test again. If problems persist, boot into safe mode to check for third-party apps interfering. Disable suspects, then reapply the clock style. That one troubleshooting tip usually reveals the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.